Hey there, science enthusiasts! Have you ever wondered what would happen if galaxies collided tomorrow? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into this cosmic clash. First things first, let's set the stage. Our Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy. But don't worry, this isn't happening tomorrow. It's actually set to occur in about 4.5 billion years. Still, it's fascinating to think about, right? Now, when galaxies collide, it's not like two cars crashing on the highway. Space is incredibly vast, and stars within these galaxies are so far apart that they almost never collide directly. Instead, they pass by each other, creating beautiful and chaotic gravitational interactions. Imagine two swirling clouds of stars, dust, and gas intertwining and merging over millions of years. During this cosmic dance, the gravitational forces can trigger the birth of new stars. That's right. Colliding galaxies can actually be nurseries for new stars. The gas and dust get compressed and ignite star formation, leading to bright new stellar clusters. It's like a cosmic fireworks show. But it's not all glitter and stardust. These gravitational forces can also distort the shapes of the galaxies. Spiral arms can stretch and warp, and the central bulges can merge. Eventually, the two galaxies will settle into a new single elliptical galaxy, a completely new galactic identity. What about our solar system? If the Milky Way and Andromeda collide, our solar system will likely be flung into a different part of the galaxy. But don't worry, the distances between stars are so vast that our solar neighborhood should remain relatively undisturbed. Maybe just a new night sky view. This process, though incredibly slow, is a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our universe. It's a cosmic ballet that speaks to the incredible forces at play on a galactic scale. So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that galaxies are not just static islands in space. They're dynamic, evolving systems, interacting in ways that can create both destruction and new beginnings. It's a beautiful reminder of the complexity and wonder of our universe. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this cosmic journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating science content. Keep looking up.